You just inherited a family home somewhere in Georgia. You did the hard part. You went to the probate court, you got your legal authority, you even found a buyer for a home, but just days before closing, the title company calls with a complete nightmare. The title has an issue. Could be an issue from 10, 15, 20 years ago, and you legally cannot sell the house. What do you do now? Do you lose the sale? Do you have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on a lawyer? Let's talk about that. Today, I'm going to reveal exactly how we untangle messy deeds in Georgia using real-world case study that a local family we just helped rescue from this exact trap. Let's talk about what happens when an Atlanta family inherited a house thinking that ownership was simple. In a recent case we handled, the abstract title search uncovered a major issue. When the previous relative had passed away years ago, someone tried to DIY, do-it-yourself, transfer deed. They used just a cheap, generic online template to file a quitclaim deed, but they forgot to have all the heirs sign it, and they failed to record it correctly with the county clerk. Now, decades later, the legal chain of title is completely broken. The buyer wants to walk away, and the family is in an absolute panic. Fortunately, there are 3 proven strategies that we use here in Georgia to fix a tangled title. The first strategy is tracking down the ghost heirs using corrective deeds. In Georgia, if a previous relative died without a will, their interest automatically is split among the surviving spouse and the children. If a cousin or a sibling moved out of state 15 years ago and never signed off, we have to track them down to execute a corrective quitclaim deed. The second strategy is filing the correct probate transfers, specifically an Assent to Devise. A common mistake here in Atlanta is assuming that a will just automatically transfers a house. It doesn't. Even after probate is granted, the executor must physically execute and record a specific document called Assent to Devise. That legally transfers the real estate into the heirs' names. The third strategy, and this is the ultimate reset, is a quiet title action. If chain of custody is so broken and the heirs are missing or deceased, we can work with a specialized title attorney to file a quiet title action with the courts. This is a petition where the judge reviews the history of the ownership and officially decrees the rightful owner. It completely wipes the slate clean and gives official ownership so the home can be sold. Now here's what you really can afford to do. Don't let a subpar or standard real estate agent panic and tell you it's just not possible. We have no way to move forward. And also, don't sell your property to a predatory cash investor for just pennies on the dollar because they promise that they can take care of the title problem off of your hands. They are simply using that problem to steal your family's equity. Your attorney handles legal filings in the courtroom, but our channel, Georgia Probate, is here to help you manage the physical asset. We partner with top-tier title abstract real estate attorneys across the metro Atlanta to clear these exact title defects, all while helping you prep the property to ensure that your family gets maximum market dollar. If you've inherited a home in Georgia with a messy title, or you're dealing with a property that's just stuck in the probate process, let's help you get it sorted out. Tonya and I handle these exact types of things every single day, and we know how to navigate the system to protect your equity. You can find our contact information below, and I hope you found this video informative, and if you watched up to this point, you probably realized you're not the first person to have these issues. So check out this next video that we have, and until next time, bye.